Hi guys, it's Ben here at Cult Motorcycles, here today to give you a quick video rundown of this fantastic year 2003 Aprilia RSV-MIlle R Colin Edwards. A very rare bike, with only 461 of these Edwards replicas being made for the worldwide market. The Edwards Rep was based on the top of the range RSV-R, so it came with the model's Öhlins suspension, Brembo radial brakes, OZ wheels, carbon fibre bodywork, also a close ratio gearbox and larger throttle bodies, giving an extra 8 horsepower increase in peak power. This example has covered 28,000 miles and comes with a great service history. There's a folder full of invoices going right back for servicing plus remedial work. Everything from regulators to coils to wheel bearings to suspension servicing. The stamped service book shows services at 3K, 8K, 14K, 18K, 25K, which was a valve clearance service, and the most recent being 28K. There's also a large amount of other documentation, including all MOT certificates going right back. Recently serviced with new tyres, the bike wants for nothing and is ready to go. Hopefully that gives you a good flavour of the bike. If you've got any questions or queries, feel free to give us a shout, drop us an email, give us a call. We can arrange finance, we take part exchange, delivery is no problem. So I think that sums everything up. So thanks for watching and I look forward to hearing from you.